Hello students, today's point is the inverse of a matrix. Definition: an n by n matrix A is said to be invertible if there exists an n by n matrix C such that A into C equal to In. In means identity matrix of order n by n, and C into A equal to In. The matrix C is called the multiplicative inverse of a matrix A. It is always determined uniquely. Next definition: a matrix which is not invertible is called a singular matrix. The matrix which is not invertible means inverse does not exist of that matrix is called a singular matrix. An invertible matrix is called a non-singular matrix. Means if inverse of that matrix exists, then this matrix is called non-singular matrix. Next theorem: if A and B are invertible matrices, then first, matrix A inverse is invertible and A inverse of inverse equal to A. Next, A into B is invertible and A into B inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. How it is possible? Because A into B into B inverse A inverse equal to A into B into B inverse into A inverse, because multiplication is associative in matrix A. B into B inverse means identity into A inverse. A into identity A into A inverse equal to identity. Means here we get A into B inverse A inverse equal to identity. Therefore, inverse of AB equal to B inverse A inverse. Next, A transpose is invertible and A transpose of inverse equal to A inverse of transpose. Next theorem: let A equal to 2 by 2 matrix with entries A, B, C, D. If AD minus BC is not equal to 0, AD minus BC means determinant of A is not equal to 0, then matrix A is invertible. In fact, A inverse equal to 1 upon AD minus BC into 2 by 2 matrix with entries D minus B minus C A. Means if you have 2 by 2 matrix A equal to A, B, C, D, and determinant of A means AD minus BC is not equal to 0, means A inverse exists, and A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. You have seen this formula in 11th and 12th standard. 1 upon determinant of A means 1 upon determinant of A equal to AD minus BC, and adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix is nothing but the exchange of the entries of the diagonal entries D, A, and negative signs of B, C, minus B, minus C. If AD minus BC equal to 0 means determinant of A equal to 0, then A is not invertible. A is not invertible. Next example: A equal to 3274, then find A inverse. We know if A equal to AB, CD and determinant of A equal to AD minus BC is not equal to 0, then A inverse equal to 1 upon AD minus BC into DA minus B minus C. Here A equal to 3274, A equal to 3, comparing entries of A with these entries: A equal to 3, B equal to 2, C equal to 7, D equal to 4. AD minus BC equal to 3 into 4 minus 2 into 7 12 minus 14 equal to minus 2, and D minus B minus CA equal to 4 minus 2 minus 7 3. Therefore A inverse equal to 1 upon AD minus BC into D minus B minus CA equal to 1 upon minus 2, and this matrix right here 4 minus 2 minus 7 3. Here we get A inverse. Next theorem: if A is an invertible n-by-n matrix, then for every vector B belongs to R, the matrix equation A into x equal to B has a unique solution x equal to A inverse B. Here first we show that x equal to A inverse B is the solution of this equation, and then we show that this solution is unique solution. Proof: since A is an invertible matrix, that is A inverse exists, let B belongs to Rn, B any vector, then A into x equal to A into, and x is A inverse B, put here A inverse B, since x equal to A inverse B. Multiplication is associative in matrix A into A inverse into B, which is equal to A into A inverse, identity into B, identity into something, means B. A into x equal to B, here we get, that means A inverse B is a solution of the equation A into x equal to B. Now to show that uniqueness of the solution, let U be any other solution of the equation A into x equal to B. Therefore A into U equal to B, because here x is nothing but the U, because x is the solution of this equation, and here we'll let U be any other solution of the equation A into x equal to B. Therefore A into U equal to B. We replace x by U. Therefore A inverse U is another solution, means U is in the form of A inverse B, A into U equal to B, multiply both sides by A inverse into A into U equal to A inverse B. A inverse into A into U equal to A inverse B. A inverse into A equal to identity into U equal to A inverse B. I into U equal to A inverse B. Therefore U equal to A inverse B. Identity into U equal to U. U equal to A inverse B. Therefore A inverse B is the unique solution of the matrix equation A into x equal to B. Next definition: elementary matrix, a matrix obtained by performing a single elementary row operation on an identity matrix is known as an elementary matrix. a matrix obtained by performing a single elementary row operation. Single elementary row operation on an identity matrix is known as an elementary matrix. We know that there are three types of elementary row operations. First, interchanging any two rows. The operation is denoted by Rij. Second, multiplying the elements of any row by a non-zero number. The operation is denoted by k into Ri. K is not equal to 0. And third is adding to the elements of any row the same multiples of the corresponding elements of any other row. The operation is denoted by Ri plus k into Rj. Next example.